What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to review Swiss Arabian's one of the latest releases, and here I'm talking about Enigma of Taif. And I got a lot of requests for this perfume, so here we are. So Enigma of Taif is a perfume made by a great perfumer called Shin Oba, or you can say Shinichiro Oba, the same guy who made this masterpiece for French Avenue. So let's see that what he have done here. So if this perfume is up to the mark or not. So first of all, I don't have presentation for this perfume because this perfume came to us as a PR package, and it was in a big box with two more perfumes. So I don't have the original packaging of this perfume, but I can show you the bottle. So here is the bottle. You can see the bottle is very similar to Soul of Bali's bottle. Exact same thing, metallic cap with the initials of Swiss Arabian on the top, metallic plate here in the front with some design and the name of the perfume. Enigma of Taif, the logo of Swiss Arabian on the top, and here thick glass base, and the bottle is polished and very premium looking. So this is about the bottle. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So it smells nice, but we will see that how nice it is. Let me give the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per Swiss Arabian's official website, in the top you will get cardamom, black pepper, pink pepper, elemi and plum. In the middle notes you will get Taif rose, saffron, violet, olibanum and osmanthus. In the base you will get oakmoss, molasses, vetiver, amber and labdanum. So this is the official notes breakdown. And now let's see that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this perfume is in great hype nowadays, and people are praising it a lot on Fragrantica. And yes, this perfume really smells good, but there are few points which I would like to discuss here with you guys. So first of all, let's see that how this perfume actually smells. If we talk about Taif rose, and I don't know how many of you guys have ever tried Taif rose, but Taif rose smells really different, and for me, I got zero Taif rose here, or maybe it's used in a very minimum quantity in the blend and it's totally lost. It's not there, it's not prominent. You will not get Taif rose because Taif rose smells very sharp. It's soapy, it's a spicy, sharp kind of rose note. Here it's all about sweet rose. So I think this is the perfumer's imaginary Taif rose. It's not the original Taif rose. And I would love to hear from you guys, the guys who have really experienced perfumes like Taif rose from the house of Abdul Samad Al Qureshi. Do check it out. This is how Taif rose smells. And if you guys have ever experienced Spirit of Dubai's Nargis, that's Taif rose. Here, this is not Taif rose. There is rose, but it's sweet, jammy kind of rose. So this was my rant to start the review. I'm not sure if you guys are going to agree with me or not, but this is my opinion, my humble opinion. Okay, so this one opens with a very nice, sweet and jammy rose with some woody accord, and you get a lot of cardamom here. So yeah, it's green, spicy kind of scent. In the opening, you will get some sweet plums. So sweet, jammy rose mixed with sweet plums are going to give you a lot of sweetness here. So the opening is sweet with a touch of that green cardamom. And then here you will get a touch of amber. So it's a little bit spicy, and you will get a lot of peppers. So this is how this perfume opens. Sweet, peppery, rosy, musky and woody kind of opening you will get here with this perfume. And once the perfume starts to develop, it becomes more peppery, it becomes more woody, and it becomes leathery. And the leather is coming from labdanum because they have used labdanum. So you will get that very beautiful floral kind of leather accord here in this perfume. So yeah, it becomes woody, it becomes peppery, and it becomes leathery once it starts developing. And then towards the dry down, you will start to get that gasoline kind of vibe. So if you guys have ever used Fahrenheit, you will know what I'm talking about. So you'll get that gasoline kind of vibe here towards the dry down. And then in the final dry down, you will left with a very nice soft woody sandalwood accord with some sweetness. Some sweet rose will be there with you, some little bit of pepperiness will stay with you, cardamom will be there from start till end, but it becomes a very soft woody kind of scent in the dry down. So this is the whole journey of this perfume. Is it good? Yeah, this perfume smells really nice, it smells good. Am I going to buy it? No, never, because at the price here is too much. You have to pay 400 dirhams for this perfume, 400 ml of this perfume, and the scent profile here is not unique to me because I live in Middle East, and you will get very similar kind of scent profiles here in many brands. It's good, it smells good, but the price is very high. I think it's overly priced, and for me the scent profile is not unique. I have experienced many perfumes with a similar kind of vibe here, but yeah, if you are coming from US, if you're coming from Europe, or if you are coming from some other part of the world, if you're coming from Australia or somewhere, coming from Alaska, you're coming from Antarctica, then it may be something very unique for you. But for the people who lived in Middle East, who live in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, this is a very common scent profile for us, and this is my opinion. You have all the right to disagree with me. Do let me know in the comments. So this is my take on the whole product. And now if we talk about the other aspects of this perfume, if you talk about the performance is great. It's a beast kind of scent, longevity, performance, projection, everything top notch. 4 to 6 sprays and you will be rocking for the whole day. And if you talk about gender, it's purely unisex scent. If you talk about age group, no barrier at all. Anyone can use it in any age. If I talk about season or weather, use whenever you want, wherever you want. And now if you talk about occasion, weddings, some special occasions, parties, in your office, on your dates, it can be a very good date scent. Just skip the gym and sports activities. Other than that, you can rock this perfume in any kind of scenario. It smells really nice. The quality and blending is top notch, no doubt about it. If the price of this perfume was around like 200 dirham, I would happily buy it without any doubt. But still, it's your call. Check it out. If you love the fragrance, if you can pay that premium price tag, go for it. Scent is good, fragrance is good, quality, blending, everything top notch, high grade. But yeah, for me, not very unique. And now it's totally up to you if you want to pay 400 UAE dirhams for this kind of scent profile or not. So this was my review about Enigma of Taif, and I hope you liked it. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and